Next up in our clothing unit is, it's called When It's Cold Outside. And I live here in Canada, so oftentimes we're using these signs. So what we need is cold. We'll also need outside. Now the first time you do this, you can choose to kind of keep outside out because it is quick. But then the next time you come back to it, you could definitely add it in if you feel a bit more comfortable, or you can just throw it in right at the beginning. So outside is like two, I don't know, I think of like as two syllables, you're kind of pulling yourself outside, outside. Then we'll need coat, shrug on your coat. We'll need hat, you put on your hat. We'll also need mittens, so you put your mittens on, and then boots, 2 letter B's, and then you knock your muddy boots together to get all the dirt off of them, I suppose. So it goes, when it's cold outside, I put on my coat. I put on my coat when it's cold. Then it repeats, when it's cold, when it's cold outside, I put on my hat. I put on my hat when it's cold. I put on my coat. I put on my hat when it's cold outside. All right, so it actually repeats this 2 times. It says the same thing twice is what I'm trying to say. So the first time we won't sign outside, but the second time we can sign outside. Yeah, so let's do it.
Woo! It's a little nippy out there, so what are we gonna do now? Oh, when it's cold outside, I put on my coat. I put on my coat when it's cold. Oh, when it's cold outside, I put on my hat. I put on my hat when it's cold. I put on my coat. I put on my hat when it's cold outside. Oh, when it's cold outside, I put on my mittens. I put on my mittens when it's cold. Oh, when it's cold outside, I put on my boots. I put on my boots when it's cold. I put on my mittens. I put on my boots when it's cold outside. Let's play it now.
So this time, there's some music. So this time around, we'll add an outside if you want. So they'll start at the top with coat, and then they'll just go through coat, hat, mittens.
When it's cold outside, I put on my coat. I put on my coat when it's cold. When it's cold outside, I put on my hat. I put on my hat when it's cold. I put on my coat. I put on my hat when it's cold outside. When it's cold outside,
I put on my mittens.
I put on my mittens when it's cold. When it's cold outside, I put on my boots. I put on my boots when it's cold. I put on my mittens. I put on my boots when it's cold outside. I put on my coat. I put on my hat when it's cold outside. I put on my mittens. I put on my boots when it's cold outside. It's cold out there.
Ooh, it's cold out there.
Thank you very much. Can't be leaving the building yet. You got to find my coat and my hat and my mittens and my boots and my latte. Yeah.
My latte, yes, very important. Way to go.